how are we going to repair our DNA? What can you take to repair your DNA? It's the hardest thing to wrap your head around because of the level of brainwashing that we've had. But take the Urotherapy course and just start doing your own research. The best book I would say that you can read is Your Own Perfect Medicine by Martha Christie. If you go to Eurotherapyresearch.com, that's our website that we put all the urotherapy stuff on. And once you read about it, you will know 100%. There's no questioning that this is in my mind, the most powerful remedy because it's made by you and it's made by God, and the intuitions and the thoughts that you can put into it for your own healing are just incredible. So it's just getting past that. We've been lied to all these years that urine is a waste product and urine is toxic. One of the main reasons I really started coming out and talking about it was because of all the people that were getting injected with poisons everywhere. And there's only one thing that I know of that can actually repair your DNA. There's no supplement that's going to have your original DNA coding in it, the biophotons of your DNA. The only thing you're going to be able to put in your system that's going to be repairing your DNA is going to be your urine.